Alright, in this video I want to explain to you the Ichimoku endpoint strategy. And if you're new to this channel, I want to click the subscribe button and also hit the bell button so that you can get notifications whenever we upload wonderful videos and strategies like this. So in this video I want to show you and explain briefly a bit of the challenges that a lot of persons are facing in using the endpoint Ichimoku strategy. If you're not a first timer on this channel, you know that I've explained how this particular strategy works and how you can actually achieve your goal, or you can actually use a strategy to make analysis of the market and how it moves. So if you want to actually have a proper understanding of how to set up your charts to look like this, because I won't be going through that in this particular video, all you need to do is just to go to the description below and you will see the links to the Ichimoku endpoint strategy. And also you could also go to my channel and you will see the videos there, or you could just go to the playlist section and you see a section dedicated already, you labeled endpoint Ichimoku strategy. So all the videos and explanations of how you can actually use this strategy to trade and be profitable is listed and highlighted there for you. So now in this video I just want to quickly address this. Some persons asked me how can they filter false signals and how can they know their targets in the market. So quickly, now the first thing you need to know is this: you must understand how the market works. And quickly, I just want to say this: if you are part of the community already on Telegram, good for you. But if you're not part of the community yet, I would like you to join the community. Click the bell button, just check the description below, you will see the link to the community where we give free signals on a daily basis, so that even if you are busy or maybe you're not confident yet to take your own trades, you can lean on our shoulders, you can lean on my own shoulder also, to get your accounts running and profitable. So do yourself a lot of favor to go and join the Telegram group. Just check the description below, you will see the link to the group. All right, now quickly, Ichimoku strategy works in this wise. You know, when the Ichimoku and the 50 and 200 moving average touch the 10 or the 90 level, then what you need to wait for is the cross. Once you see that the cross, this yellow line here is the Ichimoku, why this red one here is the 5 moving average, why this black here is 200 moving average. Now the next thing you want to see is simple. You want to see that they all cross above this, above the 200, that's the Ichimoku and the 5 period indicator, 5 period moving average indicator. So when they both cross the 200 moving average, then you want to wait for your stochastic to return back to the oversold level. Now if the trend is reversing to the to the downside, you'll be doing the reverse. Now in this case, you can see the trend has been coming down, so I expect that the trend will be going up now. So what do? I'm looking for only buy signals. So the moment this crosses above the 200 MA, that is my endpoint Ichimoku indicator, once it crosses above my 200 MA, the next thing I'm waiting for a pullback. I want to see my stochastic pullback and drop to the oversold region. Once it drops to the oversold region, then I can place my entry right here. Then I can ride the wave for as long as I will wish. Then another question that persons have actually asked me is how can they ask that how can they actually take profit from this market? How can they know when to actually take their profit from the market? I said that's very easy. The jackpot strategy to this is using the previous low or previous high, or I would say the previous support or the previous resistance. Like if you entered, like if you can see this particular trade I entered here, if you enter this trade here and you select here, what do you see? You can use this as your profit. You can use here as your profit. You can use here as your profit. You can also use here as your profit and use here as your profit. It depends on your risk level. So it depends on how much you can take risk. So, but now I'm going to give you a particular cheat mode, a cheat strategy that you can actually use to know where should be comfortable for you to take your profit. Now you can see that our entry was on this particular pullback here, this particular pullback right here. So your next target should be the previous high, the previous overbought region, which is here. You can see this was our previous overbought region. Yes. Now, but certainly the price will certainly go above this, so you can take the previous one also, which is this, and that was why I put my take profit to that particular level. Consider my take profit is on this level. Yes, that's the reason why I put my take profit there. Then another thing you can use for your take profit is your 200 moving average. You can plot a 200 EMA on the main chart. Then once you enter your trade, your trade, you can wait till the price comes to touch your 200 EMA. Once it touches your 200 exponential moving average, then you can take your profit and get out of the market. So those are the three ways that you can actually use to select or know the take profit you should set. That is number two. Then number three thing I also want to correct is a lot of persons have been asking me that what is the zoom level, what is the best zoom level to use, what is the best zoom level to use is the last zoom level. You can see on my screen right here, you can see that I zoomed out to the last. You can see I zoom out to the last. You can see. So it all depends on what you want to see, because basically I don't think the zoom level is really important per se. I think what is really important is you waiting for the Ichimoku and the 5 moving average to cross above the 200 on this endpoint Ichimoku indicator. Once it crosses, then you wait for a pullback. Then you allow it to touch the oversold or overbought level, depending on the particular trend that you are looking out for. So once those conditions are met, trust me, most of the trade will be a winner for you. You are looking at 95% upwards success rate. That is it. So trading is about you waiting for the right time. So even if you zoom out to the largest, you still have to wait for the cross. Once you get your cross, then wait for your pullback. Once you get your pullback, then you place your entry. So that is it. Then the last thing I want to also talk about is flipping the screen. Some persons mentioned that if they flip their screen, that they tend to get the best outlook. Yes, you could decide to flip your screen, you could decide not to flip your screen, but I will advise that you do flip your screen if you're using your mobile phone. If you're using your PC, you don't need to be flipping your screen, because you will certainly be getting this outlook already. So, but if you're using your mobile phone, you might need to flip your screen to get this outlook. So that is that. So I've explained to you how you can enter. I've explained to you how you can take your profit, and like I've explained to you how you can, whether you should zoom or not. Then I've also explained to you the flipping of the screen for the mobile phone trading. So basically, these are the reviews that and the questions that I've been getting from viewers, and I decided that okay, I'm going to create a video to actually answer these questions so that everybody can be clear on how the strategy really works. So if you really like this strategy, please share with your friends, and also if you like the video, please click the like button and give it a thumbs up. And also if you're a first time on this channel, please subscribe and click the bell button so that you can get notifications whenever we upload wonderful strategies like this. Don't forget to also go ahead to watch the previous videos on Ichimoku, on the Endpoint Ichimoku strategy. You can check my channel, you see the playlist, it's all there. The Endpoint Ichimoku playlist, you'll see it right there. So you can go and watch the previous videos and get a grasp of how the strategy really works. Then if you also want to join the community, which is our trading channel where we send free signals on a daily basis, just go ahead and check the description below and click the button. You click the link rather. There's a link to the Telegram group you will see for free signals. Just go ahead and click the link and join the group, and you'll be getting free signals and be profiting. So for now, I'm going to see you in the next video. I still remain your boy, Leke, Cosby Finance. Take care and bye for now.